information can also be viewed at both ends of your carriage and on your souvenir trip guide.
Don't back past it, Crystals. Don't go past the yellow line.
Crystals, just don't see the yellow line. Don't go past the yellow line.
Attention customers, the Coast City train will soon be arriving, and for your safety, please stay well behind the yellow line. Once again, the Coast City train will soon be arriving, and for your safety, please stay well behind the yellow line.
Here he comes! Look! Here he comes!
Excuse me, we've got a big group coming through.
There it is. Can you see it? Look. It's really high up.
Attention customers, for your safety, please stay well behind the yellow line.
There it is. Look. Wow.
I think we can arrange that.
Number 8. What number is that? There, look, by the door. Is that Alice? What's that?
Don't back past it, Crystals. Don't go past the yellow line.
Crystals, just don't see the yellow line. Don't go past the yellow line.
Attention customers, the Coast City train will soon be arriving, and for your safety, please stay well behind the yellow line. Once again, the Coast City train will soon be arriving, and for your safety, please stay well behind the yellow line.
Here he comes! Look! Here he comes!
Excuse me, we've got a big group coming through.
There it is. Can you see it? Look. It's really high up.
Attention customers, for your safety, please stay well behind the yellow line.